Does the size and age of the universe provide prima facie evidence that Christianity is false? Many people seem to think so, and there is no doubt the universe is much larger and older than we had imagined at an earlier time. A century ago, we only knew of the Milky Way galaxy. In 2013, when I wrote my book, What on Earth Do We Know About Heaven?, I noted that there are approximately 200 billion galaxies in the known universe, and today that number is more than 2 trillion. Who knows what it will be in another 10 or 20 years? Just one of those galaxies, the Milky Way, our own galaxy, has more than 250 billion stars in it, our sun and the outer reaches of the Milky Way merely being one of them. In terms of age, the universe is approximately 13.78 billion years old, and we're not at the center of anything. In fact, whether you can even talk about a center in the universe is a dubious question. Put another way, you could say that every place is the center, given that the Big Bang 13.78 billion years ago happened everywhere. With that in mind, does that provide prima facie evidence that Christianity is false? I do hear this idea from people a lot, but the fact is that Christianity is not tied to the doctrine of anthropocentrism. Anthropocentrism is the doctrine that human beings are the ultimate standard of created value in the universe, and we are the center, the telos, the purpose for which the universe was created. Christianity is not, in fact, should not be construed as an anthropocentric religious belief. It should rather be viewed as theocentric. God is at the center, God is the ultimate standard of value, and whatever God created, including humans or any other intelligent alien civilizations that may exist, was all created for his purposes and for his glory. Granted, Genesis 1 and Genesis 2 are a narrative of the origin of creation, which is presented, accommodated, you could say, to a human audience. And within that respect, human beings are presented as being at the center of creation and in the image of God. That does not exclude the possibility that there could be other intelligent alien civilizations that are also created in the image of God and are also playing a role in his providential purposes for all of creation. So Christianity is not tied to anthropocentrism, and thus the size of the universe, the age of the universe, the scope of the universe do not provide prima facie reasons to believe Christianity is false.